Hi guys, so in this video we'll be learning how to disconnect one of your Google Drive accounts. If you have this Google Drive desktop software installed, right, you have multiple accounts here and you want to disconnect one. So how we are going to do that, we'll see in this video. Now if you don't have this icon here, you can go to search and type your drive, then you'll find this one, open it. You'll be able to locate the icon here, right? Now you just have to click on this icon and go to settings, right? You'll have preferences here. Click on the preferences. No thanks for the tool. Now what we have here is I have this business account by the name My Travel Horse. I'll click on it. It's already in use. Okay, so I'll go to settings and then to see if I want to disconnect an account. I don't want to disconnect this one. This is my personal account. I want to disconnect another one, My Travel Horse, right? So I'll click disconnect account. Or let's say I have this college ID which is no longer in use, so I'll disconnect this. Click on disconnect. Alright, now you'll be able to see only two accounts. Okay, the logo is gone. We'll just connect it back. We are able to locate the logo here. Then I just want to remove one more account. I'll click on settings, preferences, then settings again. Here we have another account. I want to disconnect this. Let's click on disconnect. And you no longer will be able to see this drive icon for the extra two accounts over here. I have only one personal account and it's here, right? I can directly copy paste the files here and it will be auto sync on the Google Drive online. So this was all. Thank you.